back to Heat of the Drum. My name is Steve. Today we are doing smoke fried wings, and I'm excited for this one. Why am I calling them smoke fried wings? Because first we're going to put them in the drum, we're going to smoke them up, and at the very end we're going to put them in the fryer and crisp them up. So they should turn out really good for us. Now the first thing we need to do is make a rub for those, and I think I got us taken care of. What you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of dark chili powder, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Get that dark brown sugar in here and get this mixed up. Got the rub ready to go in the shaker jar. Now let's talk wings. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in here, and the only thing I'm going to do to these, I'm going to leave the flats and the drums together, and the only thing I'm going to do is just chop off the tip. And all I'm going to do is come in right at this joint right here and chop that right off. And I'll just check them over, make sure there's no anything I want to cut off. Like this loose piece right here, I'm just going to cut that off. Then I'll just get in here and check and make sure there's no feather remnants or anything like that that I wouldn't want in my wing, and get those off. Then we'll flip them upside down. And I just have a rack here. Just going to put them on just like that for now. Show you the next one. We're just going to come in right at that joint. Boom, right off. Check it over, looks good. And onto the rack it goes. Now let me knock out the rest of these. And this is what you'll end up with, my friends. These are all cleaned up, ready to go. Now, if your chicken is kind of sticky, then you can move on to the next step and start putting the rub on. What I'm going to do, these ain't too bad, but I'm just going to hit them with just a little bit of water. So just a little mist. And then we come in with the rub. I want to get in here and just kind of tap it in a little bit. Get them all flipped over. Just going to hit them with a little bit moisture on this side. And then we'll come in with this rub. This side will probably hit a little heavier. And that's looking pretty good to me. And there you have it, my friends. These wings are ready to go. So I'm going to let these go hang out in the fridge for about 45 minutes. That'll give me time to clean up my drum, get it fired up, and get it up to temp. Today we're using some Cowboy Oak and Hickory Blend lump mixed with a little Kingsford. And to that, I'm going to add some cherry chunks in there. It's time, my friends. Just took these back out of the fridge. They've been in there for 45 minutes. I got my smoker up to temp. And we're putting them on. Here we go. And what I like to do is kind of pack them in tight. And I normally will put kind of the littler ones towards the center. And then just kind of work my way out. Wings are on, let the fun begin. What are we smoking at today? 275, right around that range. Now I got my timer set for 45 minutes. Then we're going to get in there and get our first look at those. I'll see you then. All right, we just hit that 45-minute mark. Let's get the lid off and get our first look. Smelling really good. Let's get in here and kind of see where we're at. About 148, 49. What I'm going to do is rotate. And we'll get the lid back on. All right, my friends, looking really good. 147 to 149-ish, right around in there on those wings. Smelling good. Now these will probably take another 35 to 45 minutes to get them where I want them to be, which is really around that 165 to 170 mark. But in about 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and start heating up that peanut oil. I'll see you then. It's been another 15 minutes. It's time to start this oil. And I got me a jug of peanut oil. Here we go. Let's get the oil in. Now let's get this thing on. Oil is going. It won't be long now, my friends. Next time you see me, we'll be pulling them wings off. $170, my friends. These are exactly where I want them. And the oil is almost there, my friends. Let's grab some wings. And what I'm going to do is just grab half of these. Ooh, wee, they smell good. Let the fun begin. And we are going to go 2.5 minutes. And let's grab them out. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them on this paper towel. And here we go with batch number 2. 2.5 minutes. It's time. And there you have it, my friends. Smoke fried wings. Heat of the drum style. Wow, they smell good. Only one thing left to do now. Let's get us some. How about this guy right here? And juicy as can be, my friends. Woo-wee, are they hot too. Let's get a bite. Oh yeah. Nice and juicy. And that rub we made earlier is just right. It doesn't take away from, you can still taste the chicken, if that makes sense to you. But I'll tell you what, I'm definitely eating good tonight. Oh man. So the next time you're thinking about doing some wings, fire up that smoker, but don't be afraid to fire up some oil and hit them right at the end for some smoke fried wings. Remember, you can do this too. Till I see you again the next time on Heat of the Drum. Oh man.